Come on, YouTube. Did it actually work for the first time ever? On the first attempt? It did. That's amazing. Okay, what ticket is this? 5453. Five, 4, 5, 3. What mess are we getting ourselves into today? 5, 4, 5, 3. No, there's no personal information on the ticket number. Does not show any signs of life. Was worked on by another shop that said it was unfixable. Oh no. This was bad cherry picking right here. This was very bad cherry picking. Oops. Okay. I'm loose in here. I don't know. Okay, let's get right into this. Hello everybody in chat. Hope everybody is well. I'm well. Switch over to our overhead view. Let's go ahead and open this up. So we are going to first of all take out the bottom case screws. So we need a P5 for that. These screwdriver sets are $22 on Injured Gadgets, and they're actually... Yeah, Mike, I need a haircut. And the thing is, when I wear my N95 and I go in a store, it messes up my hair, so that's why. And there's not really any places to get a haircut right now. I should probably put more effort into my appearance. Let's get a magnet. Suction cup. Why aren't you sticking? There we go. Let's get our little tool we used to, and it's not sticking again. That's very unusual. Today feels like a Monday, but it's not a... Yeah, today has a very Monday feeling to it. Let's try this one. Okay, this... I've used those electric screwdrivers, but they're kind of annoying to me. They take longer for me. And there's not a single screw in this MacBook, except the battery screw. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Okay. Let's see. We're going to plug in our USB-C amp meter, and we're going to see what we get. Maybe this MacBook will work. Maybe it'll be dead. It's kind of disappointing that... Oh, no. I'll show you guys what I just see in a minute. If you work on a MacBook and then tell your customer that it's no fix... At least put the darn screws back in. So we have 5 volts and 0 amps, which is typical of a PP bus short. Because the charger is going to see that there's an issue, and it's going to stop it from providing voltage. So 5 volts and 0 amps. But here's what concerns me the most right here. So let's go over to, let's see, microscope. And you see that somebody hurt this poor little MacBook. Somebody put the wrong screw in the wrong hole. These big screws do not belong here, and notice how you could kind of see where it delaminated the board a little bit. Those do not belong there. Do not do that to your MacBook. The MacBook does not like the giant screw being put in the wrong hole. It's not good. Don't do it. So anyway, let's go ahead and take this board out. Actually, first, just I want to unplug the battery. I want to check for a short on PP bus because this sounds like it's going to be a PP bus short. And that would mean easiness. Easy PP bus short. I need an easy board. Where did I put my magnet with the screws? Did it disappear? Is it hiding over here? Is it stuck to the MacBook? Where did it go? Peter is here. Here it is. Tim says behind suction cup. Thank you. I found it. I'm not even certain they took the board out of this. I think they started to take the board out of this. This is just all kinds of bad. There's board screws where board screws should not be. There's screen screws where screen screws should not be. Maybe you have this problem. 8204924 is artifacts on display after load to the system, but when I plug in external display over HDMI, both images are fine on the screen. You have a dying Intel HD graphics integrated graphics chipset. I'm sorry, but you're kind of screwed. The one thing that you can do is there's these little like dummy HDMI adapters that you can plug into the HDMI port that will simulate a screen being plugged in, and that will work. So that's what I recommend you get, and you should be good there. But yes, that is an internal issue in the Intel HD graphics chipset, which is causing that. In order to fix that fully, you will need a new CPU, and getting a CPU for that machine is not really straightforward. So I don't recommend that you get a CPU. I recommend you get a little dongle to plug in the HDMI cord. Do not heat the CPU either. That would be bad. So this board is very clean. I don't see anything wrong, and there is CD3215B03 chips on this. So I'm starting to wonder if they replaced the CD3215s with... No, I wouldn't replace CPU. I wouldn't do that. I want to check for short on PP bus first. We're going to get our meter on diode mode. And we have no shorts on PP bus. Maybe do we have a short on PP3V3G3 hot? I don't know. These don't look replaced. There's some corrosion here, so that means there's probably corrosion under the CD3215s. A little bit of corrosion there. Let's see. Do we have any shorts here? No shorts. Let's double check over here. Oh no. Oh no. And this is on the wrong way, I think. What did Dum Dum do? No, they put the CD ISL on the wrong way, I think. No, this can't be. Nobody. No, this is very bad if you did this. Yep, the ISL was put on backwards. Well, that would explain why it don't work. You know, like your ISL, like, You know, like it kind of wants to be put on the right way. Like if you put it backwards, it's not going to work. Just because it's a square doesn't mean you can put it any way you want. It's just not going to work. So, yeah, this is sad. Poor MacBook. MacBook got the wrong screw put in the wrong hole, and the MacBook got the ISL put. You can't win with this stuff sometimes. This is why I laugh when people say, "Oh, I could get it done cheaper from somewhere else." Like when customers come to me and they say, "Oh, I could the guy down the street's only charging 120 for this. Why are you charging 415?" This is why, people. This is why. Because I don't put stuff on backwards. I have not eaten today, just so you guys know. And this was not soldered right. Like, not even close. My concern is if it killed the MOSFETs. I don't think it would. I don't think it would do anything backwards. The ISL it's kind of a smart chip, so it's not gonna. This one is pretty smart, so it's not like the old 6259s that would completely like ruin the whole circuit. I could be wrong on this, but this one usually won't do that. I've never seen it yet, so. Where's my wick? I'm hungry. We go grab a new ISL. We put new ISL on, and this MacBook should be working, hopefully. Run to the front real quick. ISL 9239 right here. Don't tell me I have to reball one of these. Probably have to reball one of these. No, I don't. Alright, now I'm going to put the ISL on the right way. That's what separates TCRS from other repair stores. When you come to us, we put your ISL 9239 on the proper way, so board actually works. And MacBook is happy, not sad. It's a big difference. gonna let this cool down and we're gonna retest this. Is MacBook cool enough? No, MacBook is still pretty hot. And then while it's cooling down, I'm going to look around for other signs of nonsense. You never know if there's nonsense somewhere else. I don't see any nonsense. There's no nonsense, no other nonsense, but cannot rule out nonsense. Nonsense cannot be ruled out, and I'm really hungry. I'm really hungry. Okay, moment of truth. What's going to happen here? USB amp meter plugged in. And 20 volts. And 19 milliamps. And is it going to give me 57? Nope. It's something wrong. Is PP bus present? Nope, it's cycling at 19. Is PP bus present? Chat is quiet today. Not many people are talking. Alright, we have 13 volts on PP bus. Is PP5VS5 present? PP3V3S5 is present. PP5VS5 is present, or is it? Let me get a better. I'm shaking really bad, so it's kind of hard for me to measure because of how hungry I am. Present and stable. Alright, what did they do here? There's got to be some other nonsense around here. Oh, look at this. That cap exploded. Take this SSD out. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you could change CPU, then that's good. You're better than me at this because I can't change the CPU. I'm hungry. What's this cap on? See, if this came here first, there would be no chasing other random faults like that. Oh wait, this could be it. That needs to be changed. I think I really should go get something to eat. I want to see what this cap is on. It's probably not related to our problem. Yeah, it's not. This over here is for what? Oh, this is very important. U8210. I need to go get food. U8210 is going to be, yes, very, very important. That's a power switch for PP3v3S4 and PP5vSO. So that's very important. Let's see. The question is it corroded bad enough? And that answer is probably not. Yeah, it's not, but I'm going to change it anyway. Yeah, I don't think that was bad at all. We'll replace it. After this board, I think I'm going to go get food. Or at least a snack. Something. Anything but nothing. That's what I should say. Catherine is here. Sonia's here. Ben is here. Wait, what's this on the bottom? Okay, I forgot which way this went. Let's see. Is that the dot there? Yeah. I think it goes here. Let me see. Alright, this chip is a complete scam. Wait, pin 1 is where? No, the dot should go up here. In this corner. Am I right, guys? It's up to you. The blood of this board will be on your hands if it's on the wrong way. Yes, pin 1 is on the dot, but look at this pin 1. Okay, so look at this board. And you tell me what's wrong here. Look, this is why I said this board is a scam. Okay, where's pin 1? Look at this. It's a scam. Total scam. But pin 1 should be right here because we click here, we see pin 1. What time to use this? I solder mostly at 430 degrees Celsius. Okay. 20 volts, 18 milliamps. Which is the same as before. Yeah, this is where did Dum Dum touch you? Where were you injured, little MacBook? Where is injury? There is injury here somewhere. Let's probe around on these caps. Nope, this board does not need a battery in order to power on unless they changed something in firmware recently. I'm looking very closely for knocked off components. This is for PP3V3 G3 hot, so I don't think that would do it. This is not actually blown. I'm not going to leave this, of course, but it's not actually blown. Something around here could do it, but all this looks okay. Almost wonder if this tech used like some conductive flux or something. PMIC killed PCH? I don't think so. I should probably take off the heatsink and look. kind of looking for stuff that looks like it was knocked off or damaged somehow. But yeah, this actually looks pretty clean. I don't see anything that would concern me. Okay, so now we gotta do the hard work. We're gonna plug in the charger again. Just briefly, I'm just gonna do a thermal scan of the board, see if there's any abnormalities on thermal. You never know. Doubt there will be, but you just never know. And I have UPS saying that they delivered a package, but they did not. Oh boy. Oh, okay. They sent it there. Interesting. That's gonna be fun. Oh well. I just had a very expensive package go somewhere where it wasn't supposed to go, inbound to me. So I'll have to go there and find it. Oh well. Such is life. And nothing looks like it's getting hot on thermal right now. Just wanted to rule it out. Oh no, the heatsink is getting hot. Phone call. Hey, what's going on? I'm streaming right now. I'll call you in a bit. No, you're not on stream. I'm gonna dox your number if you don't hang up shortly. That always works. Threatening to dox somebody's number always works. Okay, so the heatsink is getting warm. Now, that is very concerning to me. The heatsink should not be getting warm. The blue video screen was the microscope when I was looking at stuff. Do we have voltage here? If we don't have voltage here, this is screwed. It wasn't a null, it was somebody else. It was like comparable to a null. Okay, so we have voltage. We have VCore. We don't have, yeah, let's see if this boots. This is like, I don't know. It's getting vCore. Maybe it's like just, I don't know. I think it's not going to post though. That was Adam that called, and I'm almost about to dox Adam's number on stream. I think Adam would like being doxed. Should we dox Adam on stream? We should dox Adam on stream. Oh, I'm hungry. I want food. You're only a 4-hour drive. Yeah, true, I am, aren't I? Alright, let's see what we pull when it's in the enclosure. I think this is dead. Because the CPU is heating up. Wait, no, we get trackpad click, but it's cycling. Yeah, this is... We get trackpad click. Here, listen. But we get nothing else. We just get trackpad click, and we get warm CPU. We get no fan spin. It is not requesting vCore. Or it's not requesting a lot of the vCore rails that we need. Yeah, this is probably screwed. Probably what happened. Okay, here's what my guess has happened. My guess is this had a dead CPU, and then the genius here decided, let me replace the ISL to see if it would work, and it didn't work, obviously. So, yeah, I think it's in order for me to go get some lunch because I'm really, really hungry. So I will be back later. I'll try and jump on stream in like an hour or so again. But yeah, this is thumbs down. Rest in peace. Dead. So.